Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and I was working on a little project and thought I'd share it with you. If I was going to get rid of this because it's going to be too small to engrave, especially with basically reverse engraving, it's going to have a chance to burn away these letters. So there's a couple ways you could do that. I've got it all broken apart, and we're going to move it over. It's basically a fill. So there's one way you could do it. You could do it like this, which I would not really suggest. Would be to fill that in with black. But you always have a chance of something going wrong. Uh, you know, I don't like that way, but that'd be a quick fix. The other way would be to do what we just did, move it out of the way. Take this, select it, left click, right click, and now you have an outline. Your inner parts of your letters are still here. Let's zoom in here. Take your virtual segment delete key and just select those two items or those items and select them and disappear. Then you could take your smart fill tool and fill it back in, and let's cursor it back over. So now you have the wording and it's all black. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.